People don't talk enough about how good this cake is. Portokalopita, Greek orange cake. Look at how amazing it looks. For the Phyllo dough, we'll need 2 packs of 200 grams each. That is 400 grams of Phyllo dough. Just like this, rolled up as it comes in the package, we're gonna cut it right there, into pieces of about 2 centimeters. You're gonna break them up like this, on a baking tray. See? I have them here, and I'm breaking them up. Bake them for 8 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After the time has passed, they'll look like this. And now we're going to prepare the mixture. We'll need 4 eggs. I always use size L eggs, the large ones. If they're the small ones, use 5. We'll add a pinch of salt to give the mixture some bite. Beat it a little. And next, we're going to add sugar, white sugar, 150 grams, 1 cup, and if you like it really sweet, a little more. And if you like it less sweet, using half will work too. We add creaminess, 200 grams of Greek yogurt. What would a Greek cake be without Greek yogurt? Of course. Soon you'll have it like this. Time to add oil. In my case, mild olive oil, 150 milliliters. You can use whichever you want. Even coconut oil works. We're also going to add orange zest. 1 tablespoon is enough. You see, it's going to have an intense orange flavor, and we start with the zest. We also add baking powder, 16 grams, 1 packet. What is now called baking powder, the classic royal. And soon you'll have a mixture as beautiful and as thick as this. Time to start adding our Phyllo dough. There, little by little, we add and moisten it. Don't put it all in at once because it's better this way so it doesn't break. Soon, you'll have a mixture like this. Thick, substantial, and perfect for pouring into a baking pan. I've greased it with sunflower oil so it doesn't stick. Butter would work too, or you can use parchment paper if you want. You pour this wonderful mixture inside. And right away, you'll have your perfect batter ready to go into the oven. 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 357 Fahrenheit preheat the oven. Let's continue. Oranges, 2 of them, and we're going to squeeze the juice out of them. I'm squeezing. And I'm going to use 200 milliliters of this wonderful nectar. We're moving to a large pan. We pour in these 200 milliliters, and we add 200 milliliters more of water. Put it on the stove, medium-high heat. When it's warm, like this, you're going to sweeten it, in this case, brown sugar. 150 grams of brown sugar, which will dissolve in this kind of syrup we're preparing, and it's going to turn out fantastic. Stir it a little. And now let's add more orange peel. Just enough so you can chop it up like this into little pieces. And it should be about 1 or 2 tablespoons. You don't need much more than that either. I think half an orange peel is enough. Once you have it sliced, put it in. You see? Add a few orange slices so they caramelize with the mixture, or just a few sliced pieces. You don't need the whole orange. 3 or 4 are enough. And when you've done that, and 45 minutes have passed, and the cake looks like this, you're going to poke it with a toothpick. So it really soaks up the flavor we're going to add now. It'll take you 30 seconds at most to make the little holes, and as soon as you have them done, and with the cake still hot, pour the wonderful mixture we just made all over it, and add as much as it can absorb. 3 or 4 big spoonfuls like these should be enough. Then let it cool. And here you have it. Portokalopita. The Greek orange cake. It has a more intense flavor and is easier to make. Let's take out a piece so you can see the inside. Look at how it turned out. The Phyllo dough. And it's ready. Individual serving, and that's it. Enjoy. Who can top that? No one.